Hello, everyone. One of the main benefits of a multi-effects pedal for beginners is the cost savings it can provide. Beginners can get all the effects they need in one device instead of buying several individual pedals. All product links are available in the description. You can check them out for the best prices. Let's start. 1. FLAMMA FX 200 Multi-Effects Guitar Pedal. The FX 200 Multi-Effects pedal from FLAMMA features a 5-inch touchscreen, easy-to-use software editing, adjustable effects chains, 30 cabinet simulations, 4 foot switches, programmable MIDI ports, and expanded I/O for all your musical needs. Plug and play with presets, or customize your sound with auxiliary inputs, expression pedals, stereo FX loops, and more. The FLAMMA FX 200 is a multi-effects guitar pedal that offers guitarists a wide range of customizable sound options. 2. Boss ME90 Guitar Multi-Effects Unit, the Boss. ME90 Guitar Multi-Effects Unit is a versatile and powerful addition to the Boss ME series, offering exceptional audio quality, flagship-grade AIRD amp models, IR loading, and more. This all-in-one processor is designed for convenience and delivers premium Boss tones with ease. The ME90's knob-based interface makes creating sounds as simple as manipulating a stompbox pedal board. 3. Boss GT1 Multi-Effects Pedal Boss is one of the kings of multi-effects pedals, and their products have a reputation for being solid, durable, well-spec'd, and producing great tones. The GT1 is aimed at beginners and those with little pedal experience, but it doesn't disappoint. The GT1 includes 108 different effect types, 99 presets, 99 user patches, and a 32-second looper, making this multi-effects unit a versatile and useful learning tool. 4th Mooer GE 200 Multi-Effects pedal. Chinese brand Mooer has slowly but surely built a reputation for striking a good balance between price and performance. Starting out as a brand that offers low-cost versions of popular pedals, it's now considered a real contender in the mid to low-end market. 5. Zoom G1 Zon. As someone who has been playing guitar since 1990 and keeps up to date with gear, I am blown away by the value that the Zoom G1 Zon offers. The G1 Zon, what a catchy name, comes with 75 effects and 14 simulated amp sounds, which also change the sound, as well as other nice features like a looper, tuner, drum beats, and a wah pedal. At the end, multi-effects pedals are a great option for beginning guitarists, offering a variety of effects in one device, saving money and time in the setup process. These pedals also often have the ability to create and save custom effect settings, giving users more control over their sound. That's it for today's rundown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. See you in the next one.